Hello, hi, my name is Anya. I'm an illustrator and graphic designer, and I'm really happy to have you in my second Skillshare class. So my background is graphic design, but for the last years I mainly work as an illustrator, and lately I also study to become professional illustrator for children books. To see my illustrations, you can follow me on my Instagram and YouTube accounts. But because watercolors are the basic medium that I use in my illustrations, I would like to share with you all the knowledge and the skills that I've achieved throughout the years of my artistic research and studies. I'll show you the basic watercolor techniques through the simple and quick exercises, and I'll walk you step by step through the single techniques. So I'll show you the wet on wet techniques, wet on dry technique. Then with 3 really useful exercises, I'll explain you how watercolor transparencies work. Then I'll show you how to paint really nice homogeneous washes of watercolors, and then I'll show you 2 ways to paint watercolor gradients. At the end, we will use all the exercises and techniques that we learned to paint a watercolor bouquet of flowers. This class is for everybody. If you're a beginner, then you will learn basic watercolor techniques, so that's perfect. And if you already paint with watercolors, then these exercises can be useful to improve your skills. So at the end of this class, you'll know the basic watercolor techniques, you'll feel more secure to start to paint your own illustrations, or you will know other ways and techniques that maybe you didn't. I'm really glad to share all my tips and tricks with you, and also you will paint your own beautiful watercolor flower bouquet. So I hope to have you in this class, and in the next lesson I'll explain you the class's project. So see you there.